Shenzhen Aishikao Refrigeration Equipment Company Limited, established in 2014, is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale, and service of refrigerator door gasket, PVC profiles, and ancillary equipments. Our products used in household refrigerators, commercial freezers, disinfecting cabinets, cold storage, glass display cabinets, vending machines, wine cabinets, fresh air filtration equipments, haze purifiers, laboratory equipments, and so on. Currently, our company has thousands of molds or can be customized according to drawings or samples. We are located in Shenzhen. We're near the Shenzhen Airport, adjacent to Hong Kong and Macau, with convenient transportation access. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In recent years, our company has introduced a series of advanced equipment, including extrusion lines, magnetic machines, welding machines, and test machine. In addition, we have obtained ROHS and CE certificates. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China, our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as Australia, Europe, Africa, and so on. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. We warmly welcome customers from at home and abroad. Cooperate with us for common success.
Hi, I'm Eric Chen. We are Shenzhen Iceco Company. Our company provides gasket lube seal, hot PVC profile, welding gasket machine, cutting gasket machine. Our products be used in household refrigerator, commercial refrigerator. Welcome to contact us